back. Happy Monday. I hope you all are having a wonderful start to your week. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the Variety Fun Box. So, I am super excited. This is always a great box to unbox. I am a Variety Fun partner, so they do send this to me for review. So, thank you so much, Variety Fun. I do want to tell you a little bit about it before we dive in and see what kind of goodies we got this month. So, Variety Fun is a snack subscription. And what is so unique about it is they actually partner with over like 500 different snacks. So there is a real variety. So you don't have to, get in this humdrum routine of the same snacks. And it is August 5th. Back to school is happening. Christopher doesn't go back to the 26th, but I know a lot of people all over are starting now, have already started, or are starting here in just a few days. So one good thing about Variety Fun is it is an excellent way to be prepared for back to school. It's a great thing to have for school lunches, and your kids can pick what they want. There's always a variety of sweet or salty. It's just a fun mix of snacks. So again, you don't get bored of the same snacks all the time, which is fantastic. You can also use this for road trips, parties, or just to have fun snacks around your house. And if you have kids, back to school doesn't necessarily mean we're just getting snacks. Kids like snacks. So it's a great option to have year round, and it is so affordable. It is only $24.99 a month. I do have a code that I will put down below, FUN20, to get you 20% off your first box. So you can get your first box for only $19.99, and that is a really good deal. If I did not say, it includes 40 snacks in this box. Now they do also have a healthier option. If you prefer that box I do believe is $39.99. I will put a link down below, like I said, with that promo code. So head over, check them out, get you some snacks, get prepared for back to school, or just to have snacks on hand. And I do want to say one thing that I think is super fantastic about the subscription. I do love they give back. They donate thousands of snacks to families in need, which I think is fantastic. And I just love that so much. And they do also have a bi-weekly option. So if you want to get this every other week, you can. If you have more than one child and you need lots of snacks, that is an option as well. But they do, again, $24.99 is the normal monthly price. And again, it's free shipping if I did not say. So again, I'll put that link and the code FUN20 down below to get your first box for $19.99. But let's dive in here and see, because like I said, Christopher, well, he's got 3 weeks, but I don't know if these snacks will make it that long. So we'll see. Him and my husband love this box. So it always comes like this, super fun and just a fun looking box. So let me get my box cutter and cut the tape. But this would be a great way, especially like I said, with back to school happening all over, for your kids to pick out what snack they want when, packing a lunch or something. But you open it and it says taste, explore, enjoy, and you can follow them on Instagram and Facebook. There's a little note. Oh, that's just like a personal little note. So thank you, Variety Fun. I do appreciate it. So here is what we see on top. How they package this, y'all, I don't know, because there's 40 different snacks in here and they pack it so well. When I take these out to show you, I'll never get them back in the box like this. But this is what we see when we first open it. You see it is loaded with snacks. So let's go through and see what we got. So the first thing on top that caught my attention is an RX bar. And I think these are great, especially when they're really yummy, and Christopher will eat them and he doesn't realize it's actually super good for him. This one has 12 grams of protein. It's made with 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, no BS. And it's actually chocolate peanut butter. So yum. And then we have Snyder's mini pretzels. Yum. Lay's barbecue chips. Miss Vicky's sea salt. These are like kettle cooked potato chips. We have the Ritz Bits, the cheese. Yum. So see, these are like brands that you know that your kids love, and it's just, again, I think the name for this box is perfect because it is such a great variety. And then we have, oh, this looks, I might have to put this to the side for me. Knott's Berry Farm Premium Cookies, Raspberry Shortbread. Yum. And then we have some Cool Ranch Doritos. Ooh, we've really gotten to love these, and I've gotten them in so many different subscriptions. The Pop Chips, these are the like Ridges, bold and crunchy, tangy barbecue. We got some Takis, Fuego, hot chili pepper and lime. We got some Goldfish. And then this, I've never seen this brand before. Prince and Spring Jackpot Sea Salt Popcorn. Yum. Ooh, some Sun Chips. These are so yummy. Love Sun Chips. And then we have the Flamin' Hot Crunchy Cheetos. Christopher actually loves these. Blew my mind. I didn't really think he'd be like into the spicy, but he loves those. Oh, and this is always fun. Some Cracker Jacks. And it still has surprise inside. Oh, this is so good. The Smart Food Popcorn, the white cheddar. Yum. We got a little bag of traditional Chex Mix. Some Cheez-It, the white cheddar. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. And then we got a little bit bigger bag of the Flamin' Hot Crunchy Cheetos. Christopher's gonna be super excited about that. And we have a bag of Ruffles Original. And, ooh, yum. This is the Handy Snacks, the Ritz, the crackers, and cheesy dip. So you've got the crackers and the cheese dip here. Yum. Oh, we got some Pringles, some sour cream and onion Pringles. And now, looks like we're getting to like the sweet part. The Abby's, this is Abby's Cookies. This is chocolate chip, wholesome and delicious. Remy's Grams. These are some cinnamon graham crackers. Yum. Oh, these are so good. These are the Rice Krispie Treats, the Snack Crackle Poppers. These are the chocolate. Yum. Oh. All right, so we have, these are so good. There's 2 of these in each pack. The Grandma's Cookies, the peanut butter. And then we also got the oatmeal raisin. Chocolate chip. And again, there's 2 in each, and each of the cookies are like this. So good. And then we got the chocolate brownie. Yum. Y'all see this? Like, it blows my mind how they, I'll never get all of that back in here, but just also, again, the variety of these snacks is just amazing. And then we have Cars Sweet and Salty Mix, like a trail mix. Yum. We have some Fig Newtons. Yum. I remember those from when I was a kid. So good. And then we have 2 packs here of Welch's Fruit Snacks. We have, ooh, Chips Ahoy cookies. We have the Milano cookies. These are like one of my favorites. Oh, we have a sour This is the sour blue, which will be Christopher's favorite. Fruit roll up. What is this? I've never seen this. He is going to lose his mind. I've never seen this. Lucky Charms soft baked treats, a marshmallow blondie. Have you guys seen these before? I've never seen these. He's gonna love that. That's his favorite cereal. Oh, this is one of my favorites. The Nicote, the peanut butter, like cookies. So good. And then this is like the Captain Wafers, the grilled cheese crackers. Yum, yum, yum. And then we have from Nature's Bakery, a fig bar, peach apricot, real fruit and whole grains. Sounds really yummy. And then we have 2 more in here. And we have the Quaker Chewy. This is a dark chocolate chunk. And we have a Quaker Chewy chocolate chip granola bar. So you guys, you see the variety. Like, I feel like a broken record, but seriously, the variety. These snacks are amazing. It blows my mind. And I love this hashtag snacks. So that is everything we got in our August 2019 variety fun. Like I said, I will put a link down below as well as that coupon code FUN20 to save you 20% off your first box. So definitely sign up, especially if you are looking for a fun back to school way to have a variety of snacks, or if you just want to have a variety of snacks on hand just because. So again, that link and everything will be down below. Don't forget, we do have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on. We do also have the Jeffree Star giveaway. We have the Rebecca Mail giveaway. We have quite a few giveaways going on, so definitely check them out. Enter if you have not already. And if you would, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful Monday. Bye.